Hello dear students, this is Professor Suresh Babu, Department of Civil Engineering. I want to give a brief instructions on coming IA. See, my subject is on water supply and treatment engineering. See, it will start from 20th. It is on Wednesday. See, the time is from 3 to 4:30. It is 1.5 hour time. Okay, everybody knowing it. See, after the examination, you have to upload before 4:50 p.m. See, after examination, we are going to give extra 20 minutes time so that we can upload it without any problem. Okay. If not possible to upload in time, then what to do? You can upload this to my mail ID. You send to my mail ID. This is sureshbabubt9@gmail.com. Okay. See, I am going to give a brief instructions how to write my examination and the question paper pattern. Everything I am going to explain. Now you follow always some rules and regulations. So write the question number and full questions. Write the questions fully. Okay, for each question you write full question, right? Then draw neat diagrams or figures and tables wherever it is necessary. And also I want to tell you, use blacking pen always to write your answers, so that for scanning and all, see, it will be coming very nicely. Put your signature on each page and you have to write your page numbers on the top corner, that is the right side corner of your each page, or okay, that is a page number. Okay, and I want your roll numbers. Roll number you have to write on the cover page itself. See, this is your roll number, name and USN. It is clearly given for all. You go through this list and you enter your number. This is very, very important for my subject. I am going to consider only these roll numbers. This is fixed for you the whole semester. Okay. Now, what to do? See, this is your syllabus. The syllabus is in first chapter. It is introduction. Okay. And the design period. In introduction, we are having some demands of water and how to solve the problem by using the population forecasting, how to estimate the quantity of water. So now this is a syllabus. Now the question paper pattern is, this is for 50 marks totally. I will give 4 main full questions. Each question is having subdivision A and B. Okay, for each main question it is having A and B. Okay, A and B totally it is for 25 marks. So you have to answer 2 main full questions to score 50. Okay. Now I am going to show the portions which are included in your for this internals. Now I am going to explain briefly about your full syllabus which is required for, that is syllabus for first IA. See, now the first portion is concerned to need for protected water supply. Need means what? Why it is required? What are its importance? What is its importance? Why you have to supply the protected water supply to a public? Next one is types of water demands. What are the different types of demands to be considered? And explain briefly on 2-3 lines on each demands. Okay, we are having 6 to 7 demands. You write each and one. See, what are first you have to write the list and then explain on that. Next one is fire demand. The portion comes under fire demand. See, weight is very small and it's very easy. Okay, you have to write the 4 empirical formula which are used to determine the quantity of water required for fire demand. Okay, now next one is fluctuation in demand of water and explanation. See, fluctuation means what actually? How the water supply, after supplying water, the demand, how it will varies. See, we are having a graphical representation. You are already written the assignment and we are knowing all those things. I have given the notes for that. This fluctuation, neatly you have to draw this figure. Okay, and you have to explain briefly how it will varies, why it is, what is the reason, like that. Okay, next one is concerned to design period. Design period and factors to be considered while fixing a design period. Okay, how to fix this design period. What is design period? A period means that is n number of years. See, decades. Okay, that is n number of years is to be fixed to establish a project work. Okay, that is to establish a project. Okay, this is called a design period and factors to be considered to fix the design period. Next, population forecasting. The population forecasting means, see, the future population can be estimated through some standard methods. Those methods are called the types. See, we are already knowing that 9 methods. I have explained everything. It has given neatly in Santosh Kumar Gar textbook or in my notes. Okay, so you can refer any textbook, you will get all these methods. You know, for example, what are those methods? The first one is AIM, arithmetical increase method, and then number 2, geometrical increase method, then incremental increase method, then decrease rate of increase method. See, like this, we are having totally 9 methods are given, and you have to explain what is the importance. A small on 3-4 lines you have to explain on each method. How to determine this. Okay, don't solve the problem for this. It is only explanation about each method. Okay, and next one is why treatment of water is necessary and what are its objectives. This is comes under the second module. Okay, see, why treatment. This is a protected water supply. That means water should be free from all impurities. See here, the treatment of water, that impurities, how to remove and what is the necessity of supplying or treating this water before supplying to the public, and what are its objectives, why we are going to do this treatment. Okay, next one is, this is a problem on population forecasting. One problem will be given to you. See, you just go through first 4 methods how to estimate the population forecasting. Okay, see we are having 4 methods. What are those methods? AIM, GIM, IIM, and decrease rate of increase method, DRIM. Okay, now next one is intake structure. Intake structure means what? To draw the water from the source and pumping to the treatment plant is called intake works. And is also called intake structures. See, what are their types? Totally 4 types. Number 1 is lake intake. Next, river intake. From the river, reservoir intake. Afterwards, canal intake. And how do you select a site for the site required for intake structures? See, the selection of a site. See, at least minimum 8 to 10 points you have to write on how do you select a site for an intake works. Okay. Next one is intake structure. Intake structure means we are having 4 types. See, you can write neatly with the help of a neat diagram. Okay, and you explain it. Those diagrams I am going to send you. See, the explanation is available from the book or from your notes also. Okay, try to get all these things and write neatly without any what you call confusion or overwriting. See, these things. So avoid overwriting as much as possible. Okay, all the best. So I hope you will write everything. I have explained briefly about entire portions which are included in your first IA. Okay, thank you. Please write your roll number on the top corner right side corner of your first page. Okay, thank you. If you any doubts you are having, you can clarify at any time, no problem. Please send me even SMS if I am not receiving, if suppose I am not received your phone calls, you can send me the question, particularly whatever the doubt you are having. If anybody not asking the question, if nobody is asking the question, means what is the meaning? You know everything. You are understand everything. That is understood that if you are not asking the question. Okay. Thank you. All the best.